Hi, I'm Naif. After defining the scope and building the WBS, today we'll turn the work into a clear schedule, understand dependencies, estimate durations, and identify the critical path. First, transform each work package from your WBS into measurable activities. Each activity should have a clear output, an owner, and assigned resources. Group activities by phase or deliverable to simplify tracking. Remember, the WBS describes what needs to be done, but scheduling determines when and how. Scheduling begins after the WBS is complete. Don't confuse the work description with its timeline. Next, define logical relationships between activities. Finish to start is most common, where one task finishes before the next begins. Start to start allows parallel work, while finish to finish ensures tasks end together. Start to finish is rare. Lead and lag times help you advance or delay tasks logically. For example, in IT, installing a device must finish before configuration starts. Configuring network and storage can start together, but with a delay. Testing and documentation may finish simultaneously. These relationships build the foundation for your schedule. For duration estimation, use the PERT technique. Gather 3 estimates: optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. Calculate the expected duration by averaging them, giving more weight to the most likely. Distinguish between effort, which is the work required, and duration, which depends on resource availability and the calendar. For example, if the optimistic is 2 days, most likely is 3, and pessimistic is 6, the expected duration is about 3.17 days. This provides a realistic timeline for your activities. Now, identify the critical path, the longest sequence of activities that determines your project's duration. Any delay here affects the whole schedule. Calculate total float to see how much a task can slip without impacting the deadline. To accelerate delivery, try fast tracking by overlapping tasks, or crashing by adding resources. Review the critical path weekly, as it may change with project updates. Set your schedule baseline as the approved version for measuring progress. Use rolling wave planning to detail near-term tasks while keeping future phases high-level. Establish clear milestones, short delivery windows, and a transparent change log for adjustments. These practices align your schedule with risk management and regular communication, as documented in your project experience. Update your schedule weekly. Track percentage complete, actual work done, and reforecast future dates. Manage deviations by adjusting resources or task relationships, but don't create a new baseline without proper change control. Use simple indicators like late tasks or changes in the critical path to stay on top of your project status. Introduce buffers to maintain flexibility in your schedule. Project buffers protect the overall timeline, while feeding buffers shield the critical chain from delays. Use time boxing for experimental tasks, and set contingencies for known risks. Be transparent with these buffers. Avoid simply inflating durations. Let's apply these steps using our templates. Open the WBS and 2-week schedule. Transfer activities into the schedule, define relationships, and add leads or lags. Enter PERT estimates, convert them to durations, and monitor the Gantt chart for the critical path. Link critical tasks to risks from your risk register and include them in your weekly communication plan. Use the WBS Plus schedule, simple Gantt, and risk register templates for quick and efficient alignment. Watch out for common mistakes. Leaving out relationships leads to schedule errors, so always add logical links. Don't confuse effort with duration. Apply the work calendar. Never change the baseline without formal governance. Always log changes. And don't skip weekly updates. Set a fixed, short meeting to keep the team aligned. In summary, building a schedule from the WBS involves careful planning, clear relationships, and ongoing control. Using templates and applying practical steps ensures your IT projects stay on track. Next episode, we'll explore budget and cost management with a simple approach to earned value. Download the templates and share your questions for review.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and press like.